So the first question that we've got in the queue here, Dan, is one about subordinate UID submission. And you know, maybe this is something that should be taken offline. It might be a deeper dive, but can you give us a quick one on, you know, subordinate UIDs?
I believe what they're talking about there is what is referred to as a parent-child relationship. Perhaps you have a requirement to supply a full kit to the government. That kit has a particular part and serial number, but within that kit, it's made up of other components, which also require UIDs. That's essentially, you're going to follow the same process in terms of the IUID marking requirement. You're going to apply a label to each particular component, and then obviously the kit itself. But the key comes into on the reporting side, you're going to have a parent-child relationship factor going in there. In other words, you've got the main kit UID number, and all the component UIDs will be in relation to that parent. I believe that's what they're looking at.
Okay.